Smart Health Tower is hosting the first Thyroid Summit in the Middle East, focusing on thyroid diseases, treatments, and the latest discoveries. The summit will feature the participation of many expert doctors, researchers, and notable academic figures from both domestic and international arenas. These include countries such as the United States, Australia, UAE, Qatar, Iran, Egypt, Turkey, Jordan, Iraq, and our very own Kurdistan Region. This event will be held on the 3rd and 4th of July 2024 at Smart Health Tower, with participation of Professor Dr. Abdulwahid Muhammad Saleh, Chief Thyroid and Head and Neck Surgeon at Smart Health Tower, Kurdistan, Iraq; Dr. Kakil Ibrahim Rasool, Oncologist, Hamad Hospital, Qatar; Dr. Imad Dawood, Oncologist from Tawam Hospital, United Arab Emirates; Dr. Bülent Çekiç, Interventional Radiology from Turkey; Dr. Sadiq Ghalib Qadim, General Surgeon from Iraq; Dr. Ibrahim Karimi, Otolaryngology, Head and Neck Surgeon from Iran; Dr. Ahmed Ali Ghali, Nuclear Medicine, Hayat Hospital, Iraq; Dr. Mahmoud Saeed Abdul Hamid, Internist from Egypt; Dr. Bayar Ahmed Qasim, Endocrinologist from Kurdistan, Iraq; Dr. Sarbar Napaki, Consultant Histologist from Wollongong Hospital, Australia; Dr. Karzan Muhammad Saleh, General Surgeon, Smart Health Tower, Kurdistan, Iraq; Dr. Jatin Shah, Head and Neck Surgeon from United States of America; Dr. Muwaffaq Al-Rawi, Head and Neck Surgeon, Kurdistan, Iraq; Dr. Aras Jamal Qaradaghi, Board Radiologist at Smart Health Tower, Kurdistan, Iraq. Along with providing medical services, Smart Health Tower plays a crucial and impactful role in promoting scientific research and advancing medical sciences, not only in the Kurdistan region and Iraq, but also throughout the Middle East and the world. We believe that hosting this summit with its high international standards will significantly contribute to advancing diagnostic techniques and improving treatment methods. We hope this event will mark the beginning of more conferences and seminars featuring diverse strategies for our day and age. The summit aims to offer new perspectives on the diagnosis and treatment of thyroid gland diseases and to provide a platform for presenting the latest scientific discoveries, research, and clinical experiences. It will facilitate important and engaging discussions and bring together experts with local and international viewpoints. We look forward to your participation in this event as it will enrich your experience. Your presence is deeply appreciated and we warmly welcome you.